Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this spooky clown look right here. So if you like the look I'm about to do right now, please make sure you stay tuned and follow along till the end. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So to begin the look, we're taking the P. Louise base in shade number 2 like I always do. And we're going to use this as a base for where we're going to be laying the liner and the shadows down. So we're just going to place this right above our eyebrows right here, because this is where the top of the points for the clown look is going to start. And you can use foundation or probably even concealer for this, but I'm choosing the eye base because I feel like the colors come up more vibrant with the eye base rather than if I did it with just like a concealer or a foundation. And as you see, I'm just kind of placing that in no specific rhyme or rhythm, just on my forehead and just blending that in, because like I said, this is going to be the base for where our eyeliner and eyeshadow is going to be for the look. So the first product that we're taking today is the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease right here. So we're not going to set anything, we're just going to leave it exactly how it is, like so. Then we're going to take an eyeliner brush. I'm taking the fine liner brush from Lavish and just dipping into our Grease shade and just coating it pretty much. And you can add the water until you get the consistency of your desire with the Hydro Liner. And you can use any other water activated eyeliners that you want. I'm just using the Suva Beauty one because that's what I have to use. But we're going to start from probably right here to here. Like, we're using most of our eyebrow for this. Kind of like that. You can make them as big or as small as you desire as well. That's what I love about Halloween and looks like this. You can take inspiration and you can follow along with other people's tutorials, and they're always going to come out different because they're unique to you and your specific style and how you like doing things. And no two artists are exactly the same with technique anyway. So I'm just going to start with the outline like that for this eye, and we're going to work our way over to the other eye now and do that one as well. And mind you guys, this is the first Halloween look I've done too. So like, this is the first time I'm even trying this on or off camera. I've never even tried doing this look off camera yet. Typically when I do my makeup looks, I'll do it off camera, and then if I like how it turns out, that's when I record it for you guys. But I feel very optimistic about this look, so I figured let's try something different and try recording it and doing it for the first time together. Alright, and we're just going to now fill in the rest of this with the eyeliner. Now we're going to continue and do the bottom part. So we're going to go ahead and take that P. Louise base now and put it on the bottom portion to prime the bottom, and pretty much do the same thing that we did here, but in our own version of it. Alright, and we're just going to start kind of like so. Kind of like this. Oh, there we go. Alright, now we're gonna fill this in. What I ended up doing was I took off the dots for the meantime. I carved the under eye with the concealer, or not the concealer, with the P. Louise base. As you can see, I carved around the triangles and the under eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and start applying the color on the underneath part, and I'm going to be here to walk you guys through that. So I'm going to take my blue shade that I have, and I'm just going to tap it on the brush a little bit like so. And I'm just going to start dabbling it right underneath here, like this. set this half of the face and then continue on to the next side. But we can't forget to add that little dot down here. Now that we're pretty much done with all the blue side, we're going to hop on over to this side, do that orange, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, now that we have the orange done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some wing liner to the look, because it looks like they have wing liner to the look. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pop on some lashes, and I'm pretty sure that'll be a look all done. So I'll be right back when the wing liner is all done. Alright guys, now that we have our wing liner all on, it is time to put our lashes on. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today, real fast to let you guys know, is this new lash company that I found called t&dlashco. And these are the style Shmoney by them. I think they're perfect for this look. So let me go ahead and pop these on real fast and we'll be right back. Okay guys, now that we have the lashes all put on, last but not least, we have to do our lips, and then we'll be all done with this look. So for the mouth, I'll be going in with this shade Grease like I have been this whole entire time. I might throw in some color, I haven't decided yet, but let's just jump right into here and let's get started. I'll be right back when we're done with the mouth. Alright guys, we have our mouth on and our nose added, and that is a look all complete. So if you enjoyed today's tutorial, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned for when I post more videos in the future. And I hope you come back for the next one. Peace guys.